So I am currently in 350,000 US dollars in profit on my Bitcoin trade, but understanding on how to properly trade Bitcoin could be extremely difficult. But what if I tell you there is an automated Bitcoin trading strategy which is averaging an approximately 84% returns every single year, and this strategy is already been active on the market for almost 2 years, and I have been using it myself personally as well, and I have so far achieved more than 140% in returns from this exact automated Bitcoin strategy. So on today's video, I will go a little bit more in depth what the strategy behind the CryptoSea Smart Bot is, how you could set up this strategy for yourself, and on how you can track all your performance this automated Bitcoin strategy is currently creating. So with that being said, don't forget to slap on that like button on today's update video, and let me get in towards the content. So first of all, I really want to be pointing out the fact that I have been trading Bitcoin for over 7 years right now, and yes, while I am indeed currently in a massive profit on my Bitcoin trade, getting profits on your Bitcoin trades could be extremely difficult because it took me years and years of learning, losing a lot of money in the process, and eventually after 6 or 7 years of learning on how to trade Bitcoin, I finally became profitable. But let's say you just entered the space for maybe 4 years or maybe 5 years and you have not got a lot of trading experience, but you still want to be benefiting from the volatility Bitcoin is creating. An automated trading strategy or the use of the CryptoSea Smart Bot could be very well of use for you. So let me quickly explain what the strategy behind this exact smart bot that CryptoSea has created is. First of all, this bot was not created by me. No, the bot was created by 4 very smart individuals from Italy. They used to work at the Bank of Italy, and there they've been developing software for the Italian bank. So yeah, these people that build it are extremely experienced, and you can see it clearly in the results that it brings. So to be very clear, the strategy before 2022 has been backtested, but since November 2022, this algorithm went live on the market. So all the data you're seeing is no backtest results. No, these are actual results that the bot has created. So on the right side, you can see all kinds of information, and on the important points, I will do a little bit more of a deep dive in, but you can clearly see the graph. Ever since the launch in November 2022, this strategy has created enormous returns here and enormous upside if you have been using it. And of course, on how to set it up and how to use it, I will explain it a little bit later in this video, so make sure to continue watching this. But first, I want to go in towards the performance. So you can see all kinds of data points, which is very important to understand the strategy and important to understand the performance of the bot. But now in this video, I will only discuss the most important parts because the video has got only limited time. On the right side, you can see the performance of Bitcoin, and on the left side, you can see the performance of our trading algorithm, because we are comparing ourselves to Bitcoin. Because maybe you could say, oh wait, I am better off with actually holding Bitcoin, but no, that's not true. You are actually better off with using this strategy, and let me show you why. So first of all, the expected daily return on our strategy is 0.19%. On Bitcoin, it's 0.14. Here on the monthly, you can see 5.8% for us, 4.4 for Bitcoin. And then on the yearly, you can see the big difference that is being made. If you conclude everything together, the risk of actually holding Bitcoin is greater than actually using this strategy. So if you want to be holding Bitcoin for the long term, or if you want to be benefiting from the volatility for the long term, especially in a bull market, because whenever the bull market ends, it's extremely hard to say whenever it's going to be topping out. But with this strategy, you can see that whenever Bitcoin is topping out, it goes out of the market, and that creates, of course, that big difference in results eventually. And if you're going to be looking to the strategy where it created the worst 5 drawdowns, you can see that every single drawdown period, so that means that every single period in the market where the strategy has not been performing, it has always been in a period in the market where Bitcoin has been crashing. So indeed, you are losing a little bit of valuation, like maybe 5 or 10%, but at that time, Bitcoin is losing like 60 to 70% of its valuation, and that way you are heavily outperforming Bitcoin. And I can guarantee you, this is most likely once again going to be happening in the next bear market. So if you want to be properly preparing yourself for that next big Bitcoin bull market and the bear market, so you want to be actually cashing out, this strategy is definitely something for you. So if you want to be using the CryptoSea Smart Bot yourself, it is actually super simple to be setting up. You go to CryptoSea.com and you will come to this page. You will scroll down a little bit here and you will see this footer right here saying Smartbot. And if you press then on learn more, you will come to the page where you can first of all, of course, learn more about the Smartbot. You can see our yearly ROI, which I also discussed in this video. And if you finally see the potential and you want to start to use the Smartbot, it is super simple. You just press on get started. And if you do so, you will come to this page and where you can either connect your Google account or you can manually fill in your name, your email, your password to, of course, create an account where you could be using the Smartbot yourself. And if you filled in the right credentials, you just press on sign up and then you come to this page where you need to make the decision whether you either want to get the premium indicator, which I also discussed in a previous video, or if you want to be getting your hands on the Smartbot. So the Smartbot is what I discussed in today's videos. So if you want to be using it, you just press on buy now. It's a one-time payment and it's super simple. You can either use Ideal, card, or bank contact. So honestly, it is really up to you. But since I already have an account, I got logged in towards my own account and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on the dashboard. So first of all, if you got yourself a new account, the first thing you want to be doing is connecting your exchange with our Smartbot. And you can do so by pressing on exchanges. If you come to this page, you can see over here, I connected my BitGet account where currently $20,000 is deposited on. So besides the fact that this dashboard, you can follow your performance of the Smartbot, you can actually also connect all your exchanges. And you can see it in one great overview on how everything is exactly performing. And you can see all your balances in one screen because we connected an API with the exchange. So we have all the data from your exchange. So if you come to this page and you have not signed up your account yet here, you can connect BYBIT, Binance, KuCoin, whatever you want. Let's say I want to be connecting BYBIT. It is super simple. You press on BYBIT and then of course you need to connect your API key and your API secret. If you don't know how to do this, you just press on learn on how to connect and then you will come to this document where we exactly explained on how you can set up your BYBIT API key, but also with other exchanges. So if you don't know how it works, I will not be explaining it in this video because it's a super simple process and you can just see it if you go to the page and just press on learn how to connect. It's super simple and everyone can do this. So after you connected your exchange, you just need to put your money from your exchange into your derivatives wallet and then the bot will be trading automatically. You can see, for instance, right now, we are in a trade, which is currently 4% in profit. I'm literally doing nothing and the algorithm is just going to close it. It's going to be opening up the trade. I also want to be saying some people sometimes close the trades while the algorithm is still doing things. Please do not do that because that is going to be definitely having a big influence on the performance of the algorithm. So please do not touch the algorithm whenever we are in a position or whenever we are not in a position as well. So what I would recommend is that you connect an exchange where you're not personally trading with, but an exchange where you can just let your money sit and let the algorithm just do its work. So the algorithm will definitely grow your money automatically. You don't really have to do a lot for that. Since the Smartbot from CryptoSea is just doing everything on autopilot, you don't have to worry about that as well. If you potentially see a lot of value in it and you want to be sharing this product yourself with your friends or family, we also have an affiliate program. If you go to the dashboard and you press on become an affiliate, you can become an affiliate yourself and actually get 30% commission to anyone who buys it through your link because it's honestly a good product. And if you want to be sharing this product with your friends and you want them to make money as well, you can even get some extra money for it yourself, or you can literally do like 50-50 with your friends. So you are going to get some money and he's going to get some discount. So it's definitely a very good way to save some money and of course to make some money yourself if you do have a large following. Further on, if you want to be tracking the positions that you have opened, you can go to positions over here. You can see the entry price, the market price, the P&L, the realized P&L, all the data points over there. Also, we have an overview from the performance on how the bot has actually been behaving. You can see an approximately, what is it, like 20 or 21 days ago, we just started and you can see that the account has already grew in the last 21 days by an approximately 21%. So it has been a very good performing week here so far. The bot, to be exact, guys, this was actually quite insane because what it did in the recent days here, it actually first was in a long position, it cut its long position over here, then went into a short position, then cut the short position over here and went into a long position right here. So it actually did a very great job here in the recent weeks here, and that is why it is been performing so strongly recently. So yeah, guys, if you really want to not miss out on this automated trading strategy, which is called the CryptoSea Smart Bot, make sure to go to the website, try it out for yourself, because this is truly a life-changing product which we have been building. So guys, this was it for me in today's video. If you did enjoy it, if you did learn something from it, don't forget to slap the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.